So, day 2 ng aming El Nido Island Hopping Tour. So, antay kami ng bangka namin dumating para makapag-start na kami ng tour namin. So, paano ba yan? Kita-gits! Kami ngayon sa aming day 2 ng El Nido Tour. Aalis lang ng bangka. So ngayon, ready naman kami sa mga iba't iba pang place na pwede puntahan dito sa El Nido. At least nakadalawang tour kaagad kami. So after this one, tomorrow, balik na kami sa Puerto Princesa para sa another tour naman. Ngayon, hindi namin alam kung saan kami dadalhin ngayon. Okay, thanks tayo.
Okay, so the PDA is out of the words, kayaking, and picture taking and swimming inside of the canoe.
Hold up just a minute, been looking for some help just to find myself. Yeah, been losing my focus like 1,000 times before. Can't take this anymore, 'cause I've been looking for something to change thoughts into motion. Been waiting way too long, yeah, waiting just for somebody to love and to surround me and to handle my emotions. I was out waiting for something, and if I close my eyes, it's all been a waste of time. I was out driving every mile, and now if I rewind, it's all been a waste of time. It's all been a waste of time. How could somebody be with someone else if you can't be by yourself? Yeah, I got my problems. Lately I've been fading out, holding out.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bye-bye!
Waiting just for somebody to love and to surround me and to handle my emotions. I was out waiting for something, and if I close my eyes, it's all been a waste of time. I was out driving every mile, and now I
first stop. Hindi ko alam eh. Mamaya lalagay ko lang sa description guys kung nasan kami ah. Pero ito yung bangkero ko ulit, nasa likod. And what is guys? On the right. So sila, hindi ko alam kung nasan. Sila sa likod. So medyo mataas yung tubig dito, saka medyo maalon. Kaya better na doon tayo mag-stop. Sa medyo pwede tayong bumaba. Ayan. Ganda. Ano na dito, wala naman. Ay! Ay! May umihi po! May wee! Number 1!
Every time that my mind slip, I just see my past life. Having dreams in a dream, I wonder why I carried on with the things that made you lose your mind. There's no way I can undo what I've done. Can we be strangers again, start fresh like a morning? What's so bad about that? So why won't you follow? Why won't you follow me home? I know I can't make you mine. Yes, I ran out of time. There's no hope for me. I fell down the bottom, so I fell down way deep.
2, 3.
Welcome to Magdao Lagoon!
But if I can't have
Yan ang good dates ng asawa ko.
3D print.
So ngayon, pabalik kami sa bangka, tapos na yung aming Cadao Lagoon. So ngayon nandito na ulit kami sa kayak. Pabalik na ulit kami sa bangka. Tapos na kami dito sa may Cadao Lagoon. More on kayaking and sightseeing. Tapos konting drone, take a picture para meron tayong pang DP sa Facebook. Sila Ravela at sila Mitch. Yes. Okay po. Ito na, tutulong na ako. Tutulong na daw ako. Bye! Destination, Eden Beach. Eden Beach. Eden Beach. Eden Beach.
Kuya Mark, nice view.
Like it?
Yes, nice view from our dialect here in Palawan. So,
Matinlok Island, Matinlok Beach.
I see it in your eyes. Yeah, I can read the signs. You need to get away. It's time we make a change. Oh, you know you'll always have me. Baby, I will always stay with you. So put your trust in me. We'll work it out, you'll see. If we get in a car and drive someplace far, yeah, we could go for a ride. The two of us, we don't have to stop. Baby, let's go for a ride. You and I, let us run away. We can go where we want. around, but there's something about you, something about you I like, about you I like. You're crazy for saying I should slow down, but maybe I'm escaping the love we found. There's something about you, something about you I like, about you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better, nobody loves me better.
So, this is the hidden beach na tinatawag. So, kailangan mo lumangoy papunta dito sa lugar na to. Medyo mabato, medyo maalon. Ingat lang. So, dapat talaga naka-full gear tayo pag pupunta dito sa hidden beach. Mabilis lang naman. Kasi pagdating mo dun sa after ng mga alon, medyo mababaw na yan. Kita nyo naman. Mababa na yung tinatapakan. Meron daw crown fish dito sa may hidden beach. So, punta natin. Dadalhin tayo doon nila Kuya Mark saka kay Jericho.
Ito. Isid na konti. Ay, lubog ka. Ito. Nakatapat na ako. Yan yung tinatapat ng camera.
Very relaxing dito. Very relaxing dito sa Hidden Beach. Tapos meron pa mga small fishes like yan. Clownfish, yan, sila finding. Tapos yan, higa-higa lang, sobrang clear ng water, banayad lang yung tubig. Nakapag-relax talaga. Ayos. This is our 4th stop. So last stop na yung Helicopter Island after this one. The best. El Nido, the best. Helicopter na. Relaxing na siya. Parang 7 Commanders. Ayun. Dapat mamaya pang gabi yun.
Gulat kaya pagdating namin na naka-helicopter. Paano ba helicopter?
Ay, ay! Ay! Ay, ay! Ay, ay!
Ma'am, nagpapakit yung asawa mo.
Ay, ay, ay!
Pansinin mo.
Ma'am Sho, nagpapakit, Ma'am Sho. Witi ng puwet mo, Lu.
All this us feeling all when hate how much you are as now as all this us that I love you now as my living as all this us feeling that I hate how much you are as now as all this us that I love you now as I live in the past, with all this us, feeling all that hate how much you are. As now, as all this us, because I love you now as I live in the past, with all this us, feeling
Pahila kay ano? Yung sa'yo, no? Ang galing humila, no? Wait lang, mama. Guys, plano natin. Plano tayo. Ano naman na kasi? Ito, basta.
So, dito na kami sa may Helicopter Island. This is the last stop of our El Nido tour. Sana hindi muna kayo umuwi. Sarap eh. Sarap dito sa El Nido. Sobra. Pero syempre, bukas, biyahe naman kami ulit sa Puerto Princesa.
Dance. O, dasayaw kayo, sayaw. Oy, join kayo din, o. Sumasayaw.
Ganda na eh.
A few inches later.
Natatalsikan kami ng tubig mo. Swimming, swimming, swimming. Backstroke.
Tapos ihigupin mo siya.
Higupin? Paano?
Masarap kuya.
You can't believe, mom. Can't believe, mom. Can't believe, mom. Can't believe, mom. Oh, ano nangyari sa'yo?
Kuya, thank you very much.
What can you say, mom?
I can't believe. Perfect. Guys. Mamaya ulit. It's good for the iodine, source of iodine.
Bakit di na ako naging